mashed potatoes. And we have that apricot barbecue glaze on top of the mashed potatoes. And we have that very good, delicious, tender barbecue apricot glaze chicken thighs. It is fabulous, y'all. It's nice. I keep saying that, wonderful and fantastic, because it truly is. It truly is a great dish. Easy to prepare, easy to impress your guests with some tender thighs that's tender and tastes good all the way through. This is a wonderful meal for someone who's trying to please their husbands or please their wives. Listen, I want to tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel and getting this wonderful recipe. Look at that. Ooh, look at that glaze on top of that potatoes. Now, you can add more glaze on it if you want to. And you can eat more chicken if you want. This chicken is delicious, y'all. It's delicious. Listen, I want to tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my famous, yes indeed, my famous baked barbecue chicken. Everybody like a good piece of barbecue chicken. I know I do. So I have a barbecue chicken recipe that you're gonna like. Yes. So what we did is put black pepper and salt and basil, and let it sit in the oven, and let it sit in the sink. Clean the chicken real good. Make sure you clean your chicken real good, because chicken has been having a problem, y'all. So make sure you clean it real good. And you season it real good with basil and black pepper and salt. That's all you need. You're going to take it and you're going to place it in a pan just like this. Just like that. And then we're going to show you what we're going to do next, okay? All right, you're going to place your favorite barbecue sauce. You're going to put your favorite barbecue sauce just on top. And we're going to put this in the oven. And we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. And we're going to let it bake for about a good 40 minutes. And we'll be right back. All right. Our chicken is done. And we have all this juice, y'all. We're going to pour this juice out. And we're going to show you what we're going to do next, okay? All right. You poured all the juice out of the pan. We're going to put more barbecue sauce on there. We're going to put more barbecue sauce on there, y'all. And we're going to put it in the broiler, just a little bit till it get sort of brown. You add some more barbecue sauce. After that, we're going to show you what we're going to do next. All right, we add the barbecue sauce on top, your favorite barbecue sauce, and we're going to put this in the broiler and let it get golden brown, and we'll show you what we're going to do next after that process. All right, I just took the chicken out the broiler, and we're going to put apricot preserve on top. Put your apricot preserve in the microwave so it can be kind of syrupy like this. And we're going to place the apricot on top of the barbecue chicken, just like this. I told y'all I have the famous barbecue chicken here. It's sweet and savory, and it tastes good. And we're going to put it back in the broiler and let it broil again and be right back.